agitated.
Eliza!
I've noticed. Hello there. Welcome to the journey home.
What kind of
Pardon?
John, I want to watch this.
Have I enjoyed my time here? Yes, it has been interesting. I mean, we fired you from the cannon. Do you remember that? Do you remember the cannon? And where did you land? You don't know? Where? Yes, on the boat. Do you know the boat's name? Pardon? No, it wasn't the Artemis Royal. No, it wasn't. Where was it? Pardon? Yes, Britannia. It was on Britannia. You landed on Britannia. What else did we do? Pardon? You were found in a cage on a castle.
We've been to Edinburgh for the weekend.
We're in Edinburgh. Pardon? What else did you do?
It wasn't really fun. No animals.
No, you didn't, did you? That's horrible. I'm not telling them what you've done. No, I'm not. That is outrageous. I'm not going to go there because he's quite inappropriate.
I'm in the suit.
What do you mean you found a girlfriend?
Is it that one when you hide the
Right, let's interview Jack. Go on then, go interview Jack. No, go down there.
Afternoon, Gordon. Have I enjoyed my time here? Yes, definitely. It's been a fabulous weekend. Yes, we did have a lot to eat. We had Chinese. You would have liked some. Well, I've not known Gophers eat a lot of Chinese, so we'll have to see.
Anyway, let's do the proper interview. Gordon isn't the interviewer, I am. No, I'm only kidding. I'm sorry, Gordon. What would you like to ask Jack? Where's your leg gone? Wait a second. Gordon, let go of me. Let go of me.
There's a fight, there's a fight. Gordon,
Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm, Gordon.
Whoa, let's just calm it all down, okay? Let's just calm down a little minute.
Okay, sorry.
Alright? Just stop fighting, the pair of you, okay? It's not worth
Damn it, Gordon!
it.